Hello everyone. Today we have another problem of Leetcode in easy section, which is missing number, saying that given an array nums containing n distinct numbers in the range 0 n, we are having a different range. We are having a range of different numbers in an array, which is called nums. So here the range will be 0 and n. The first number of an array and the last ending number of an array. N is the length of an array. Here, n is the length of an array. Return the only number in the range that is missing from the array. We have to return the only number. We have to return the number which is missing in between the 0 and n, the length of an array. So here, first example, input nums is 3 0 1. We are having these three numbers. Output is 2, because here we will apply the XOR gate logic, which is when we are having same numbers like 3 and 3, 3 and 3, 3 and 3. When we add and between these two three numbers, we will get 0, because when we represent these into the binary numbers, which is equal to 1 1, and when we add and operator in between them, 1 1 will be 0 and 1 1 will be 0 according to XOR gate. So here this logic will be applied. So first of all, we are having this range of an array. We can write this into the 0 1 2 3, and now we will cancel out, we will add the AND operator between these two, this one and this one. So here 0 will be cancelled out, because we will represent this into the binary representation. 1 will be cancelled out, we will represent this into the binary representation according to XOR gate. This will be cancelled out, 3 will be cancelled out. Okay, then we will have 2 missing number. So according to this XOR gate logic, we will apply to this and we will get a result. So here I am going to now code to this. So here I am going to code this. Result is equal to len nums. We will apply iteration in range the nums. Okay, then we will have apply the logic result plus is equal to. I'll explain the code in the last nums I. Okay, then we are having return condition result. First of all, we are assigning the length of nums in result. Okay, then we are this nums, which is used as an object, which is used as a parameter. So we are having the result as a length in nums. After this, we are running an iteration or loop. I means a number that is missing in range. Range means length of nums. So here rest plus result plus is equal to I minus nums, means every number that is counterable will be minused out from nums, and the missing number will be result that is here assigned here. So we are running this code. If it is right or not, it get accepted, and we are submitting this.